Hello and welcome. This is the first video for WebDev Diner. If you are familiar with me, you know that I had a bunch of videos on another channel. Things went bad and I deleted all those videos and we restart them here. If you're not familiar with what I do, we try and give you short videos, 10 minutes at most, hopefully a little less than 10 minutes. Maybe there might be a couple that are a little bit longer. But the idea is that these are fairly quick videos to give you insights into some new technologies, some new ideas, some new ways of doing things. And this first one is my Mac terminal replacement. For the longest time I've been using iterm2. I've now replaced it with warp.dev. It's pretty slick. Let's give you a little demo here. It is a standard terminal interface, just like iterm2. It has all your commands, you know, for doing what you need to do on the command line. But there's a couple of little caveats, a couple of things that are different. There's actually quite a bit, but I'm going to only cover two today. And the first one is how it deals with what it calls blocks. You can see I'm in a directory here. What's my directory? Sites D10 Composer. I can do an ls minus l, right? Each one of these commands and the subsequent results from that command is in a block, so that if I wanted to copy the contents of that block, or I wanted to, say, create a permalink and share, right? So I could copy this and then I could share this link with somebody in the outside world and they could see what I'm looking at. This really does come into play. Let's make a quick alteration here. Let's Composer update. It's going to run. I get an error, obviously. What I could do is create a permalink right here, create and copy. I could send this link to somebody and say, hey, take a look at this. Take a look at this error. See what you think. This way, people can see exactly what I'm looking at, and it's pretty slick. Let's go back and fix that. If I don't fix it now, I'll forget about it, and then I'll be like, "What is going on? This used to work." Alrighty. So it's just Composer update. It's going to run. We'll let it run, and once again, we'll have access to the block. So as it is doing everything, we can then go here, and this is our block. We've got a couple little things up here. Actually, that's a good one right here. This little Ask Warp AI, this is the second part I want to get into, is the integrated AI that is with this terminal. We can come in here and say Ask Warp, and it's going to come back and tell me what's going on. So, what should I do next? Next, show examples. How do I fix this? Very powerful. If you're familiar with Wes Boss, he's got a fantastic trainings for like React and Gatsby and such, but he's got some free ones as well. And one of my favorites is 30 days. 30 days of JavaScript. Every day it's just a little something with JavaScript just to like refresh, and so I've been going through them, and one of them is using CSS and JavaScript to set up drums for a keypad, and with that I've got wave files. What I could do is I could do a #, which Ask Warp AI, find all wave files from current directory, and it's going to say, hey, this is the command you want to use. Well, okay, fine, let's use that command. There we go. And again, once again, there's that block. I can do things with the block. We're only a couple of minutes in, but this should give you an idea of the power that's available. What does Ask Warp say about? Oh, just out of curiosity. what's available to you at your fingertips when you're working in this. There's a lot more. Warp.dev has got some fantastic videos on their content and some new things that are coming out. Unfortunately, right now it is only Mac. Something to keep in mind. Yeah. There we go. So first video, really short, a quick hit. I've got some other ones coming up. I'll probably be redoing some of the ones I did before, connecting to a particular hosting platform. But there's a couple of new hosting platforms I want to do as well. So we've got some more videos coming. But until then, thank you.